Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix FC26 crashing on PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here is to go to search and then you just need to write Windows Security, right? Then on this new window here, you need to go to Device Security and then you need to go and press on Core Isolation Details and then make sure memory integrity is on. If it's not on, just turn it on and restart your computer, look if the problem persists. Then open up NVIDIA app or game itself and you need to cap FPS because basically you can get crashes with FPS uncapped. So you just need to go to graphics, then you need to find FC26 and then scroll down until you see, as you can see, should be somewhere here. Also make sure VSync is off and then go to a max frame rate, right? And then set to on and then first cap it to 60 FPS and look if you're not getting crashes, right? Then 144 and look if you're not getting crashes, and then ultimately to 40 or maximum amount that you can have, right? And yeah, that's basically it, what I wanted to show you. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.